Today was an unusual day, but we still took the time to get pictures sent to us from Pondy of the Punisher, and we'll walk you through as we move along. Here we are here, the mock-up for the cut of the quarter panel. We're going to modify the quarter panel and the fenders. This is here the fender. This is the initial mock-up. This here is just a second view of the quarter panel, just to show you a different angle. Same thing here with the fender. The next picture will be more of a actual cut shape. I decided to go with a rounded fender and quarter panel as opposed to the squared off stock, because I want the car to sit low. I want the entire wheel to show so that it looks more like the modern cars. Here is the quarter panel. As you can see, this is just the final, getting close to the final look that I want to go for. Again, I want the rounded wheel. That way the car can be a little bit lower and it could be set more like the modern cars. By utilizing the rounded wheel well, to me it gives it more of a modern look. So that's what we're going to go with as opposed to the squared off. The next is one of my favorite parts of the car. We deleted the rounded 68 tail panel, and here's the next mock-up. We got the late model 2019 tail lights from the Challenger. I do not like the Charger one. It's a different shape, but the Challenger style, which is the new Mopar style, is to me more fitting for this car. The final picture would be the actual with the deck with the trunk lid back on the car. So that's what we have today. Tomorrow we will go to the shop. We'll get the actual video of the rocker panel extensions. Next update will be on the Red Eyes wrap. Read along. FYI, the Punisher is being built to debut at the 2020 Detroit Autorama. See you tomorrow.